As a team and small charity, we've had to really come together to ensure that we can still provide a service for our community. We could have obviously opted to furlough all our staff, but instead we've worked to the need of our families and diversified to make an alternative provision. So we've rode the wave and have been as agile as possible to adapt and work within all the restrictions. So we've changed our service nearly 10 times in the last year, from doing online activities, activity packs, one-to-one mentoring, school groups, and then to welcoming back bubbles of 15 children over last summer, thanks to the inequalities funding. But for our service users, it's obviously been a year of major disruption too. So it's really impacted the children and parents and carers emotionally, physically and mentally. The basic needs have been harder to meet. I think they've all suffered hardship from hunger, finances, lack of opportunities to exercise and be active, and all the stress and worry that comes with that. The lack of support from trusted adults as well outside of the homes, have become more isolated. Reduction of support networks and not as many people to help them as a family. It's important for us to show up and provide consistency for our families. The Sport England Tackling Inequalities funding has enabled to continue to provide a safe, stimulating space for our children and young people throughout the crisis when they've needed us the most. The funding's provided daily summer activities and health and wellbeing programmes for children aged 4 to 19, and we've been able to support over 190 children and young people, ranging from full activity sessions 9 till 5 and activity sessions 10 till 2. So the sessions have given them structure and positive engagement, allowing time to socialise and interact again. We've also provided a healthy meal for them during the sessions, nutrition, and also outdoor resources and incentive t-shirts to give them that sense of belonging. The impact of the Tackling Inequalities Fund has been really positive on our children and young people. It's removed barriers of social isolation and loneliness. It's also given parents and carers much needed respite throughout the pandemic. So it's taken the pressure off the difficult relationships and conflict that might have arisen in the family homes. It's ensured the children hadn't become sedentary and inactive. So we've been able to provide opportunities for physical activity to support the health and fitness of the individuals. And then the access to resources has encouraged them to become less active too. Our familiar environments given them routine and structure, and our supportive staff's allowed them and given them space where they can talk about the worries and the anxieties that have come up from the pandemic, and worked on those with them to increase the wellbeing. We've provided a variation of activities, so it's obviously helped to avoid the regression of social skills and supported the development of their own individual skills, and been able to reintegrate them back into the community after months at home to give them that sense of belonging back again. Working with North Yorkshire Sport has been a real success. It's been a great partnership as they have similar values and missions to SELFA. We've supported all areas of our work to help our children and young people thrive and achieve, been really reliable and available throughout the pandemic in the tough times. They provided regular funding, support and training opportunities for us.